Hey, it's Dave Rexroth. Thanks for checking out your forecast here at WXYZ.com. There is a warm front approaching overnight tonight, and that's actually going to make it more comfortable tomorrow morning than it was this morning, not nearly as chilly. We start dry, but as the day goes along, showers will develop in the afternoon, become more widespread in the evening and overnight as well. And you can see most of it tries to move out overnight, but there might be a few leftover showers early on Saturday. There could be a little shower action during the afternoon too, but it's a very slight opportunity compared to yesterday, when I told you it looked like it was a rainy Saturday. Things are just moving faster. Check out the snow possibilities on the west side of the state as early as Saturday. That coldest air starts to move in here Sunday through Tuesday. Tonight, 44 Detroit. Most spots probably outside the city here, closer to 40. It's not as cold as it has, but it's still a little chill in the air. It'll be dry. Here are some of those lows I was talking about. Chelsea 40, 44 in Clarkston, 43 in Tipton. You get the idea. It's a little more comfortable than this morning when we started in the 20s and 30s. Rain moves in. 50s mostly for highs. If you get to 60, count yourself as one of the lucky ones. Forecast for Detroit, the wind picks up a little bit, especially in the afternoon tomorrow. 59 for high. That's probably a midday temperature. Once the rain gets started, numbers won't move too much from there. Saturday through Tuesday, upper 40s for highs, some 30s for lows, and again a drop of rain, a flake of snow is not out of the question here, and that does include what's going on with Thanksgiving, Halloween. Maybe you dress up as a turkey. I sound like one right now. Anyway, the point is on Halloween, kids got to be bundled up, lots of extra layers. It will be chilly.